Hey, beach lovers. It's Erica, your beach enthusiast and adventurer, bringing you another epic beach walk from a hidden paradise. Get ready to be blown away by the beauty that awaits us. As I set foot on the soft, sun-kissed sand, I'm immediately greeted by a breathtaking view. The beach stretches out before me, a mesmerizing blend of turquoise waters, pristine shores, and endless possibilities. It's like stepping into a dream. This beach is truly a slice of heaven. The crystal clear waters beckon you for a refreshing swim, while the gentle waves create a soothing rhythm that instantly puts your mind at ease. With every step, the sand massages your feet, grounding you in the present moment. As we stroll along the shoreline, let's take a moment to appreciate the natural wonders that surround us. Towering cliffs rise majestically, providing a dramatic backdrop to the beach's beauty. Lush vegetation adds a touch of tropical paradise, creating a vibrant and inviting atmosphere. But what sets this beach apart is its hidden treasures. Explore the underwater world as we snorkel among vibrant coral reefs, discovering an array of colorful fish and marine life that call this place home. It's a snorkeler's paradise, a true feast for the eyes and the soul. As we continue our beach walk, we encounter secluded spots and hidden coves, perfect for those seeking moments of solitude and serenity. Take a seat on a weathered rock, close your eyes, and let the gentle ocean breeze brush against your skin. It's a moment of pure bliss, a chance to